हे गाइस वेलकम टू देसी मिस्टर एंड मिसेस व्लॉग। सो आज का व्लॉग भी होने वाला है काफ़ी खास और कुछ अलग बिकॉज मैं आ रही हूँ अपने कुकिंग व्लॉग के साथ जिसमें कि मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी एक ऑथेंटिक मिडिल ईस्टर्न डिश जो कि मैं आपको दो तरीके से बनाना और काफ़ी तरीके से आप इसको खा सकते हो। सो इफ़ यू enjoy my video please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any suggestions for me. So let's
करेंगे, इसको पीसेंगे। सो गाइस वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि हमें जो है ना इसको प्रोसेस करना है अंटिल स्मूथ, बट वी हैव टू हैव अ क्रम्बली टेक्सचर थोड़ा सा। तो मैं आपको भी दिखाती हूँ, अभी फाइनल हुआ नहीं है, अभी बचा है। Then we'll start putting some masalas like red chili powder according to your taste. We'll be putting salt again as per the taste. Some black pepper. I'll be writing down all the ingredients with quantity in description box, and then some roasted cumin seeds. So you can roast it at home, grind it in a grinder, and yes, that's about it. And the most important ingredient, you have to use some breadcrumbs. That will be approximately 4 tablespoons. So here it is, breadcrumbs. I'm going to be pouring it all together. And then some baking soda. And we'll give it a good mix. You can do the same thing in grinder also. And yeah, I wanted to remind you guys, do not use any kind of mixer. I will recommend you to use a grinder, not a smoothie maker or any kind of a mixie or mixer. I will say use any kind of a chopper like at home, or probably if you have Inalsa or any food processor, because we need a crumble kind of a consistency. You can see that, right? Should be smooth but crumbly, not a smooth paste. So yeah, that's about it. It's done, and we will let it rest in the fridge for approximately 1 hour, and then we will start cooking our falafel.
So guys, after 1 hour, you have to roll them and make it like this, and you can prepare all of them at once, and then we can deep fry them. So if you want to make it even more healthier, what you can do, you can make like tikki jaisa आप बना सकते हैं, and you can shallow fry them from both the sides on any kind of a pan with very less oil. So it's very easy to prepare because it won't stick to your hands. You don't need water or oil, and the best part of making falafel, you can even store them in refrigerator. It's very easy, and you can use it in your future cooking. So this is how I stored them. So let's now start the cooking with very less oil. I have shallow fried 2 falafels like this just to show you, and this is how you have to deep fry them. And just roll it like once it's cooked from bottom, you can just flip it little bit and let that brown color coat your falafels from all the sides. With that crunchiness and crispiness, it will taste amazing. So you can basically use it on your salads. You can eat it just like that, or any wrap or sandwiches. So let's start making our falafel sandwich. I'm making today pocket sandwich. So this pita bread, I cut it into half, so you can see how this pocket looks like. First, just microwave or heat it like on a pan. Just cook a little bit of your pita bread. Then you can use any sauce or at home. So today I have made homemade sauce. It's basically a mixture of mayonnaise, yogurt, salt, pepper, red chili powder, and any kind of seasoning you have. If you got parsley, if you got oregano, I have used parsley today. So this is the mixture of sauce which I prepared because it really complements falafel. So you will be basically spreading it all over, in the inside corners you will be spreading it nicely. अच्छे से आप अपने जो पॉकेट है उसमें अच्छे से दोनों साइड पे आप लगा लेंगे इस सॉस को. अदरवाइज आपके पास कोई भी सॉस हो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वरना मेयोनीज आप लगा सकते हैं. सिर्फ ताहीनी है तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, ताहीनी आप लगा सकते हैं. And then you will be putting falafel. So basically वो जो round balls हैं, how you will be putting it, you will be pressing it a little bit so that it will fit nicely to your pockets. So here we'll be using 2 falafels. So gently press it and yes, place it like this to fill all the corners and sides. And then we can use any vegetables, whatever you have it at home. So we'll be using tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, jalapenos, olives. You can even use cabbage if you don't have lettuce at home. It's completely fine. Use your variation. Any salad, whatever you use at home, any salads will do. Even you can put onions on it. So here I have finely chopped everything, and now I'm placing them as per the choice, as per the needs. So it looks so colorful, nice, healthy, delicious, and we'll be putting some olives here and some jalapenos to give that spice. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please try it at home. I'm sure you would definitely like it. So share it with your family, friends, and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. See you in more vlogs.